Why is blood so important? Blood is important because it carries oxygen and nutrients that's going to make the joints, make all the tissues healthier, and it's going to literally loosen the tissues so you can start moving easier. Then as you go about your day and your activities, it'll loosen up even more. Then as you're doing your work and your hobbies and using your hand, the inflammation will start to increase. So as the inflammation increases, you want to shrink it down. So what shrinks? Cold shrinks. So studies have shown that what's better than an ice pack for 10 minutes is cold running water. You just stick your wrist and hand under the cold running faucet, or your elbow, whatever you and your hand therapist talk about. But let's go back to the wrist and hand. So lunchtime, I'll have people, or every break at their work, just stick the wrist and hand under cold running water only until it's deeply cold, which typically takes 10 to 20 seconds. And doing that for 10 to 20 seconds is more effective than an ice pack or cold pack for 10 minutes.